Hi, you're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra, and with me is the national crush right now, Mr. Rishabh Ricky Ram Sharma, who is the famous sitar player. And I'm going to be doing some rapid fire questions, and that is also money related, business related, something that you've not heard him about so far. So, first up, Rishabh, what does money mean to you?
Money is for the rent, but not for the soul.
Okay, what was your first paycheck like?
$100.
Okay, what is your financial goal in life?
Short-term goal is to buy a house this year.
Okay, and where do you want to buy that house?
Probably in New York, somewhere like in the suburbs. Probably upstate New York, like a chill place to just.
Do you handle your own finances, or do you have a financial manager who guides you?
I do have my family around, but yeah, I manage most of them myself.
Where do you want to invest your money the most? I mean, like, do you explore stocks, mutual funds, or maybe real estate you did talk about, but what interests you when it comes to investments?
I would say AI right now.
Wow.
100%.
So, in what form do you invest in AI?
Anything AI related, because the AI industry is booming. I am also looking at the AI industry as also affecting the consciousness of humans, mental health AIs, and any also, like, there was a chip shortage, so anyone who's like manufacturing these chips, I would invest.
Okay. Where have you splurged the most amount of money yet? And what do you do that often on?
Clothes. Have a problem.
What's your personal style?
I like to keep it chill, street, but obviously when I'm performing, I like to like dress up, and drip myself up.
Okay, you wear diamond, studs, and that's a become statement as well for men, especially. Tell us, do you think diamonds are worth investing in?
100%, and I'm thinking of changing my look now. You might see me with like golden balis next time when you see me. So.
Are you serious? So, gold or diamond?
Diamonds, definitely.
Okay, tell me, what is the one financial advice that you have got that you would want to abide by all your life?
Make money, but don't break yourself doing that. So I don't believe in the hustle culture, and neither have my mentors ever pushed me into it. So even I've passed on like really big offers also.
Yes.
So just be true to yourself. Whatever feels that it's worth your time, do it, but don't break yourself doing.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So I want to understand, there was a conception about like, whether, sitarists or whether any form of traditional music will actually get you a lot of money. But you're changing that with your concert and your India tour that's been announced. What's your expectation there?
It has been, a very profitable tour because we sold out almost all the cities, and we only have a few amounts of tickets left. And I think we sold about like 65,000 tickets. So this is like the biggest classical tour ever. And I'm really excited, to watch the PNL, how it's looking. But yeah, I want to tell people that there is money in music. And if you have a novel idea, if you can bring something new to the table, the universe will provide. So definitely, if you're a parent, let your kid do music.
That's wonderful. And lastly, let's hear one line of Shiv Kailasho.
Okay. शिव कैलाशों के वासी धौलीदारों के राजा शंकर संकट हरना. Now it's going to stay in my head throughout the day.
Awesome. Thank you.
Woman.
Thank you so much. You have been fantastic. And thank you, viewers. Stay tuned for more.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.